Welcome back to a new video. Today, as you can see here, we have the Firelight MS-4 little demo board. We have three new devices. We have a EST Genesis. We have a system sensor i3, which is always here, but I don't really want to change it. And we have a Edwards 278B, I think. I might be wrong on that. And for this test, we are joined by...
Guy 13.
Yep. He requested these devices.
If only the system was on an EST panel, preferably an IO panel.
Yeah, if only I had like an IO like 64. Yeah, an IO 500 would be great.
Especially ones in red.
Yeah, definitely.
Or maybe gray. Like a PSs.
Yeah, definitely. I wish I had to get PSs. They're cool. Alright, so we can go ahead and pull this. This thing's going to be really loud. I wish I had an amber alert strobe to add to this thing too. I don't, but...
Yeah.
Alright, so let's go. And I also wish I had like 3 or 4 more of these too, because it'd be kind of cool to add on to this demo board, you know. Alright, 3, 2...
Why do you have an EST panel at this point?
What?
Might as well just get an EST panel.
I know, I'll sell all mine and get an EST panel. Alright, I assume you want me to do the pull station first, but I can do the smoke if you want.
Let's start off with the pull station.
Alright, here we go.
Get ready to have your ears get beamed in a couple seconds, kid.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. For some reason it's not going to focus, but there's audible silence because I believe this thing is set to system sensor sync, and that works with these devices. As you can see, it's on zone 1 there. Now to reset this, I have to pull the smoke off because when I designed this demo board, I did not take into account that some pull stations have the screw on the top, and with the smoke detector there, it makes it so you cannot reset them. Not sure if I can do this on camera without destroying it. There we go. Yeah. The addressable won't work with this panel though, but yeah, 278 with the key, that'd be great. Alright, and I will actually I'll just reset now. Alright, we can go ahead and close this. Big key ring. Alright, now you wanted smoke, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Funguy 13 chose canned smoke over smoke saber. I'm not sure why, but for some reason he did.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Alright, we can go ahead and open that up. I shook it beforehand. Alright, let's go ahead and spray the detector. That should be more than... Oh, wow, that was very quick. Wow. That has never happened before. That thing activated in like 2 seconds. Normally it takes a lot longer than that. Wow. I'm not sure why it did that. Alright, so that's about it for this test. I can go ahead and reset the panel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me, Funguy 13. So yeah, is there anything you want to say before I end the video? Alright. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.